Hello viewers, if you have been trying to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 version 23H2 or 22H2, there is something you should know. Microsoft has confirmed an official problem on their known issues health dashboard. Starting August 12, 2025, this month affects Tuesday. Some Windows upgrade might fail with an error code. The code you might see in 0x8007007F. During the upgrade process, Microsoft says this issue affects both Windows client and server upgrade under certain upgrade path. The affected system are upgrade from Windows 10 version 0x809 or 21H2 and 22H2 to Windows 11 version 23H2 or 22H2. Server upgrade from Windows Server 2016, 2019 or 2022, and from the Server 2019, Server 2022. However, upgrade to Windows 11 version 24H2 and Windows Server 2025 are not affected. The good news is that Microsoft has already fixed the issue. As of August 15, 2025, upgrade should work normally. If you still run into the error, simply type the upgrade again should solve it. So basically Microsoft broke the upgrade then fixed it, but they didn't explain how. Still, it's now marked as resolved on their official dashboard. If you had trouble upgrading before, you should be able to do it now without issue. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.